Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to today's English class, and we are meeting after a gap, maybe a considerable gap, uh, because of some other important schedules related to academic itself. All right, next thing. And today I'm going to give you, check this one, summary of a treatise on good manners good manners and good breeding. Okay, write down the points, write down the summary. Okay, if not the notes. Okay, I'm going to give you an essay, right? Not essay exactly, it's a summary, point wise, right? So take a look at all those things. Write down all the things, and all of you please be ready. All of you please be ready with your books and pens, right? Right? Now shall I start reading the lines one by one so that you can write those points in your notebooks properly. Okay, girls, I'm beginning the first paragraph, that is the introductory paragraph, okay, which begins the summary of the lesson, a treatise on good manners and good breeding, right? Right, the first paragraph. Jonathan Swift, in his work, I repeat, Jonathan Swift in his work. After that, start the inverted commas and write the title, a treatise on good manners and good breeding. Okay, start the inverted commas here, a treatise on good manners and good breeding, close the inverted commas. Okay, after closing the inverted commas, continue. Explains what to him are manners. What to him are manners, comma, and in the process of doing so, comma, Swift aligns, okay, this one, ALIGNS, aligns good manners with proper breeding, and is able to draw a line of difference between the two things, two things, THINGS, full stop. Change the paragraph, girls. Change the paragraph. Yeah, change the paragraph. Now, second paragraph. According to Jonathan Swift, comma, manners are an art. Full stop. Good manners are the ability to be able to converse. I repeat, good manners are the ability to be able to converse, CONVERSE. The spelling to the word converse is CONVERSE. Converse with anyone without humiliating them. Or making them feel as if though, as if though they were talking to an, WERE, they were talking to an ignorant, ignorant person, ignorant person, full stop. After that, manners is the ability to maintain, manners is the ability to maintain the emotional situation. I repeat the line, manners is the ability to maintain the emotional situation in a conversation neutral. Manners is the ability to maintain the emotional situation in a conversation neutral, 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 full stop. The ability to keep a neutral state, the ability to keep a neutral state of emotion. I repeat the line, the ability to keep a neutral state of emotion in a conversation, in a conversation is best displayed, is best displayed by those people, by those people who were best bred in company, who were best bred. Girls, check this one, best bred, this is the spelling, bred, B-R-E-D, bred in company. Put this line, best bred in company, in inverted commas, in inverted commas, who were best bred in company, best bred in company. Okay, next one. Now change the paragraph, change the paragraph. We are going to start the third paragraph. Okay, yeah. To swift, to swift, good manners are, good manners are, to swift, good manners are. After that, start the inverted commas, start the inverted commas. Okay, after starting the inverted commas, some rules for common behavior. I repeat the line, to swift, good manners are, start the inverted commas, some rules for common behavior best suited, best suited to their general customs, best suited to their general customs, comma, or fancies, fancies, F-A-N-C-I-E-S. I repeat, F-A-N-C-I-E-S, fancies, comma, as a kind of artificial good sense, artificial good sense. Close the inverted commas. Okay, you began the inverted commas at some. So, from some rules for common behavior best suited to their, T-H-E-I-R, their general customs, their general customs, comma, or fancies, F-A-N-C-I-E-S, comma, as a kind of artificial good sense. Close the inverted commas, full stop. After that, these rules according to Swift, these rules according to Swift are for a better relationship, are for a better relationship between people to control, between people to control the people who don't have proper breeding, who don't have proper breeding from doing atrocious things, from doing atrocious things. Check this one, girls, atrocious, A-T-R-O-C-I-O-U-S, atrocious things, from doing atrocious things, comma, manners to Swift, manners to swift, R, A-R-E-R, a way of, a way of, well bred, or a way of well bred of controlling the masses, well bred of controlling the masses, M-A-S-S-E-S, well bred of controlling the masses, M-A-S-S-E-S, comma, a way to, a way to shape a society, shape a society for their needs, their, T-H-E-I-R, for their needs and tastes, for their needs and tastes, full stop. For swift, comma, for swift, comma, good manners are not inherited, good manners are not inherited, but learnt, L-E-A-R-N-T, learnt. Now do one thing, girls. For swift, comma, I'm repeating the line, for swift, comma, and after that start the inverted commas, from good manners are not inherited but learnt, close the inverted commas, full stop. Okay, now change the paragraph, according to Swift, comma, there are several edicts, check this one, girls, this one, E-D-I-C-T-S, there are several edicts, not edicts, that is edicts, okay, there are several edicts that need to be followed, for the employment of rules, full stop. The first of which is to suit our behavior, in to 3 degrees of men, M-E-N, men, okay. After that 2 dots, a colon, okay, 2 dots, one up and one down, 3 degrees of men, colon, those that are superior to us, comma, our equals, and those who are below us, full stop. Another rule to employ good manners, is to control your pride, comma, your desires, D-E-S-I-R-E-S, your desires, and your ill nature, this is the word, girls, ill nature, and your ill nature. Put this ill nature in inverted commas, and your ill nature. And your ill nature, full stop. Yeah, this, full stop. After that, this rule being very clear, as if these were not controlled. This rule being very clear, as if these, these, these were not controlled, comma, comma, you would depend entirely, entirely on your primitive senses. You would depend entirely on your primitive senses. Primitive senses. P-R-I-M-I-T-I-V-E. Primitive senses. S-E-N-S-E-S. Full stop. This impending you to act properly. This impending you to act properly. Full stop. The mastery, M-A-S-T-E-R-Y, spelling okay. The mastery, M-A-S-T-E-R-Y, the mastery of the previously mentioned, the mastery of the previously mentioned acts, A-C-T-S, acts, being best mastered through common sense, Full stop. Because common sense, comma, is something very rare in most societies. Very rare in most societies. What is this, girl? Society spelling? S-O-C-I-E-T-I-E-S. In most societies. Comma, then every culture, comma, every civilization, comma, every society comes up, with some rules of proper behavior. Full stop. Change the paragraph. Jonathan Swift. Okay, girls, change the paragraph, right? Jonathan Swift also states that to be able to, I repeat the line, Jonathan Swift also states that to be able to have good manners, comma, is a, after that start the inverted commas, girls, is a, start the inverted commas, and in the inverted commas write it like this: punctual observation of time at our dwellings, close the inverted commas. Punctual observation of time at our dwellings, D-W-E-L-L-I-N-G-S, 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 dwellings, close inverted commas, full stop. This, comma, then means to manage your time wisely. This, comma, then means to manage your time wisely, comma, be punctual and A-T-T-E-N-T. Be punctual and attent of your environment, okay, of your environment, comma, to be able to decide, how you formally act, to be able to decide how you formally act, full stop. Change the paragraph, girls. Last paragraph. Swift also explains, in a very crude manner. Swift also explains in a very crude manner why there is such a tremendous difference, in between the lower and higher, stratas. Check this one, girls. S-T-R-A-T-A-S. In between the lower and higher stratas. Full stop. Sorry. In between the lower and higher stratas, as no one in this world is born with the manners. As no one in this world is born with the manners, comma, but, comma, instead these are taught to you. By your loved ones. By your loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved ones. This one, girls, O-N-E-S, ones. O-N-E-S, right? By your loved ones. Full stop. This education manners greatly varies, V-A-R-I-E-S. This education manners greatly varies from social stratas, S-T-R-A-T-A-S, which I already wrote here. Social stratas, as your ancestors, full stop. Okay, this is the summary. For your lesson number 2, a treatise on good manners and good breeding. Okay, girls, there is a time of few minutes left, so I shall try to repeat those lines once again from the beginning. Try to listen to it once again, so that if at all you have missed anywhere anything, right, you can replace those things, right. Jonathan Swift, in his work A Treatise on Good Manners and Good Breeding, put this title in inverted commas, explains what to him are manners, A-R-E-R, manners, comma, and in the process of doing so, Swift aligns, A-L-I-G-N-S, Swift aligns good manners with proper breeding, and is able to draw a line of difference between the two things. Line of difference between the two things. Full stop. Change the paragraph. Second paragraph, girls, I am going to read. To swift, comma, to swift, comma, good manners are an art. To swift, comma, good manners are an art. Full stop. Good manners are the ability to be able to. Good manners are the ability to be able to converse with anyone. Converse with anyone. Converse, C-O-N-V-E-R-S-E. Converse with anyone without humiliating them. Without humiliating them. Or making them feel as if though they were talking to an ignorant person. As if though they were talking to an ignorant person. Ignorant, I-G-N-O-R-A-N-T, ignorant person. Full stop. Manners is the ability to. Manners is the ability to maintain the emotional situation in a conversation neutral. Full stop. The ability to keep a neutral state of emotion. The ability to keep a neutral state of emotion in a conversation is best displayed by those people who were, check this one, girls, I wrote something here, best bred in company. After who were best bred in company. Put this best bred in company, this term in inverted commas. Who were best bred in company. Once again change the paragraph, girls. Once again change the paragraph. We are in the third paragraph now. To swift, comma, good manners are, start the inverted commas, some rules for common behavior. Some rules for common behavior. Best suited. Spelling, girls, after best then suited. Best suited to their, T-H-E-I-R, to their general customs, comma, or fancies, F-A-N-C-I-E-S, fancies, comma, as a kind of artificial good sense. Artificial. Did I give you the spelling? Artificial. Good sense. Artificial. A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-A-L. Artificial. Good sense. Good sense. Okay. Close the inverted commas. After sense, after writing good sense, close the inverted commas. Full stop. These rules according to Swift, are for a better relationship. Are for a better relationship between people to control the people, who don't have proper breeding, from doing atrocious things. Atrocious, I think I wrote here, yeah, from doing atrocious things, comma, manners to Swift are, comma, a way of of controlling the masses, a way of well-bred of controlling the masses, comma, a way to shape a society, a way to shape a society for their needs and tastes, for their, THEIR, for their needs and tastes, full stop. For swift, comma, good manners are not inherited but learnt. Good manners are not inherited but learnt. Now good manners, from there start the inverted commas, not but learnt, close inverted commas, full stop. Now change the paragraph, girls, change the paragraph. We are into the fourth paragraph now. According to Swift, comma, there are several edicts. There are several edicts. I think I put it here somewhere. Yeah, there are several edicts that need to be followed, for the employment of rules, full stop. The first of which is to suit our behavior in, the first of which is to suit our behavior in, to, TO2, 3 degrees of men, 3 degrees of men. After that a colon, 2 dots, 1 up and 1 down. Okay, a colon, 2 dots, 1 up and 1 down. And after that continue, girls. Those that are superior to us, those that are superior to us, comma, our equals, and those who are below us, full stop. Another rule to employ, good manners is to control your, pride, 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 comma, your desires, DESIRES, your desires, and your ill nature, this one, ill nature. Put this term ill nature in inverted commas, and your ill nature, full stop. After closing the inverted commas, full stop. This rule being very clear, as if these were not controlled, comma, you would depend entirely on your primitive senses, full stop. This impending you to act properly, full stop. The mastery of the previously mentioned acts being best mastered through common sense, full stop, through common sense. After that, full stop. Because common sense, comma, is something very rare in most societies, comma, then every culture, comma, every civilization, comma, every society come up with rules of proper behavior. Okay, girls, the time is up. Thank you.